basically, I can't have Wendell come here and not at least plate up something and let's break some bread and have a Guinness to drink, right? So this one, as I said, brought to you by Guinness. I am going to do a Guinness
burger.
Flavored burger.
Two of my favorite things.
What I'm going to do, and I'm going to just kind of show you how easy it is to kind of put together. Seasoning up some good minced beef, very, very simple. I like to start with garlic. Right. So I just have a nice little garlic press here that I use on the show regularly. Right, some green seasoning, some good old Trini green seasoning. I have a little bit of Worcestershire sauce.
Nice.
I have some breadcrumbs that will kind of just bind and keep everything together. Forgot some salt and pepper. So I like to season with pepper sauce. I don't like to add pepper sauce.
Right.
I like that's just me, right? I just kind of like to add it in there. And I have one egg that I don't want to forget because this kind of binds the ingredients together.
Right.
So I just add that egg in there and just kind of
swish it around.
Swish it around. You don't want to over mix this.
Right.
You really just want to get the ingredients kind of combined and tossed together. Your hand sometimes is your best friend. And I forget the most important ingredient.
Oh, you mean otherwise it's just a burger?
It's just and this is not just a burger.
No.
This is a Guinness flavored burger. Right. I'm kind of going for, I would say, about a half a cup. And once the meat comes together like this, and you're seeing it holding, that's it, you know.
Right. Now you can start forming your patties.
Now you can start forming your patties. What no, I would like for that, because when you're using this Guinness flavored burger, I would want that Guinness to kind of
soak in,
kusume and kusume there a little bit. Right. So, which I have some here.
Nice. I can see the difference in the coloration.
Because the Guinness kind of penetrated, right. And yeah, you're seeing that difference there. So, what I want to do here now is just to divide this in half and form two nice patties. Like meaty patties, you know.
Nice hearty patties.
Nice hearty patties, yeah. One more Guinness flavored addition, condiment that will be going with the burgers.
All right.
Nice. Let me get the grill on, Wendell. So, I am going to do mayonnaise Guinness balsamic dip.
Oh, nice.
Right, so mayonnaise base, but a nice Guinness balsamic dip, right? So I'm going to use some balsamic vinegar. That's going to flavor it up nicely. Some Worcestershire sauce. Just a touch of sugar. That's really important in terms of making sure the Guinness balances off nicely.
Right.
A little touch of pepper. A little touch of salt. So a little touch of 2 to 3 tablespoons kind of thing. And then you whisk them kind of together there.
Right.
Let's get these boys on the grill and then we plate up these wonderful Guinness flavored burgers. One of the things when people doing burgers, they like to poke it and leave the burger. When you place that burger there, leave it, let the grill marks take effect. No more than about 3 to 4 minutes on either side. So just about medium well kind of thing, close to well done, right? So I'm ready to flip now. So Wendell, you don't mind some cheese on your burger?
Not at all.
So
just as a fancy cheese though.
So this is actually Swiss. Right. It's a light flavored cheese. So I don't like my cheese competing with my burger. Just in the last minute or so before you take it off, you will rest that cheese there, cover it down, and allow the cheese to melt. So that's exactly what you want there, Wendell. And you want to take these bad boys off the grill at this point.
Ooh.
So, you see that real quick?
Yeah.
There's a little, with meat, there's a little continuous cooking happening here now.
Right.
So if you had left that one another little couple minutes,
dry it out.
Then it would have been good. But by the time you're ready to eat it, it dries it out a little bit after. So timing it, no more than about 4 minutes on either side, very, very important. So the first thing is to get that nice little,
sauce.
That nice little Guinness and balsamic.
What would you call that? Was that?
So like if you would recognize, right? I am not putting, normally in a burger, you're seeing ketchup and mustard.
A heap of ketchup and mustard.
Yeah, not that kind of burger, right? But yeah, so you're not going to get ketchup and mustard. No, and nothing wrong with ketchup and mustard, don't get me wrong there, but sometimes you want a different flavor. So I just want to start with a little lettuce.
Right.
Just a little bit of lettuce.
Make a little bed.
A little bit of lettuce. I know I could lay my
There's that
burger.
bad boy on top, that bed of lettuce.
Put them there. It's a nice hefty burger. I just do a nice tomato. I just want to add a little top of onions there.
Well, you see how I rock,
You're
I rock back
there.
in anticipation.
You're rock back there. You're rock back there. It's just kind of cut it in half.
Right.
Just to show you the love on the inside before you bite in there.
Niceness.
You see that love on the inside?
Nice and moist.
Nice
looking,
and moist
not
and nice
dry.
and juicy, not too dry. Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. I dig
Cheers.
it. The texture, the moisture. I lick my fingers one time.
No afraid. There's a couple Joe. July 9th, guys. Head on down to O2 Park. Get tickets now. And let's support our sister Danielle Differentalo in her time of need. She's doing a kidney transplant, hopefully very, very soon. And we're wishing her all the best, all the success. Love you, Danielle. Yeah.
Come down, everybody, come down.
Come down,
We have
O2
time.
Park.
Yeah?
Marshall Montano, Tree Canal, Freetown Collective,
Orange Sky.
Orange Sky. I forget somebody.
And more.
And Kestiban.
Kestiban, how you
And
mean?
Kestiban. And
Yeah.
much
And
more.
much more.
This little cup of Joe, guys. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook as we continue to share the fun, the food, and celebrate friends.